Okay, so this is a quick little video for you guys about how to do the Rubik's Cube. I've got the detailed solution guide. Anyone can get it online. There's a bunch of different approaches, but this one seems to be pretty straightforward. And this will just be about getting into the first step, the first stage, which is to the point where you get what's called the white cross. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we understand the parts of the cube. So you've got three different types of pieces, as you can see. Edge pieces are pieces like this, or as you can see on the solution guide. Corner pieces are obviously pieces that have three different colors on them, whereas edge pieces only have two. And then the last are the center pieces. Each face has one piece in the center with just that one color, and that's the only color it has. And these pieces really don't ever move. They might rotate as the side rotates, but they don't really ever change location. So they're kind of the key. So the color of each centerpiece dictates that's the color of that whole side. When this thing is solved, that will be all green. And the centerpiece here is red, so this will be all red. Okay, so the very first step in solving is understanding which parts of the cube are what in terms of the faces. So the next page of the solution guide tells you you've got the right face. So if you're staring at the cube, that's this one right here. The left face, the down face, the up face, which is this one. There's the down face, although interestingly, I've never, in the solution that we're going to learn, we don't ever really move the down, but if you wanted to, you could. Then, of course, there's the front face, and then the back face. And if you see people that are really good, they make these moves just with looking at their fingertips. So each face can move in two directions. So as they point out in the next part, you've got, the right or the right inverse. The little lowercase I just means inverse, which means instead of going clockwise, which is the default, like a clock hand, inverse means go the other way. So just make sure you're careful about knowing, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, and so on. Okay. So solving the white cross, that's our very first step. And as you can see, the goal is to get a cross on the white face, which is this one, in the shape of a cross, but with it the pieces right here lining up. So blue with blue and red with red, green with green, orange with orange. And it is important that this particular solution guide describes a way to do it, and it wants you to do it in a particular order. So here's the white face. What I'm looking for is I want to find the edge piece that's blue and white first. I'm going to start with blue. So you look around the cube looking for an edge piece that's blue and white. So here it is. Here's blue and white. Now I want this piece to be where it is. The only thing is I want the position reversed, and I also want the blue center to be there. So this is not that easy to do, but the trick is to get, if this is we're solving for the white cross, I want to find the blue-white piece like this, but I want the white to be facing opposite this. So I want the white to be here. So that's not hard to do. I'll just move it over. And now what I can do, let me move my hands a little farther away. So you can see now that it's down here, but it's in the wrong position. So I'm just going to rotate this and then watch what happens. If I go down, now it's on the bottom, which is what I want. Here's white. Here's white with blue. So all I have to do is twist it until it lines up with the other blue, and then rotate it 182 turns. So now I've got white with blue and blue. Next I'm going to try to find the white and orange edge piece. And here it is. Luckily for me, this just randomly happened. The orange-white is already opposite the white face, and it's already lined up. So again, I'm just going to turn this front face twice. Either way, clockwise or counterclockwise. So I've got blue, I've got orange. Next is green. And we're in a similar situation with green that we were with blue. Here's the green-white edge. It's in the wrong place, but that's easy to fix. I'm just going to turn it once this way and once this way. Now it's on the bottom, and I line it up with the middle green piece. And then again, I just do that 180. Now, what sometimes will happen, it's inevitable that it happens at some point, probably going to happen next, where you have a part done and then it gets undone as you do something else. But usually when you're doing the white cross, that's easy to fix. All right, so I've got blue, orange, green. Now I just need to get red. And here, this one's going to be easy because, again, things are pretty well lined up already. Let's just say, let's see, let me if I can make this a little more challenging. Here, so let's say it's this. Okay, this will be a little bit more realistic, a little more challenging. Blue, orange, green. Okay, here's red. It's in the wrong place. It's the right piece, but it's not facing the right way. I want the white to be on the bottom, opposite this white. So I'm going to turn it this way, and then we're going to go like this. Okay, now look, I just lost the white part of the cross, but as you can see, when I'm done with this move, all I have to do is turn this back and I'll get it back. So to get the red piece down, I go down, rotate it over alongside the other. Now before I move it up though, I'm going to move the white, the blue-white back. Uh-oh, something else got messed up. All right, well, let's fix the red first. There's the orange, no. What did I just do? Red. Okay. Got red, green, and blue, but somehow I messed up my orange because I was intentionally scrambling the cube. Okay, so there's orange, there's blue, green got a little messed up, but I do have red. I can fix green pretty easily by doing that. And then I'll fix the blue back, get the green back. All right, so there we go. Blue, orange, green, red. Now this, what just happened to me, that's going to happen to you when you solve the cube. It's a part of the process. And once you know how to get it, you can always get it back. This is the white cross. This is what it looks like. This is the goal for your first day, is to get see if you can get the white cross done. So here's white, orange, green, red. Now we're not worried about the corners yet. That's going to be the next one, and I'll cover that in a different video.